Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Welcome to the Friday feature, where we revisit all of those wonderful projects that started it all, that started this channel off. And the best part is those long, multi-part builds that we've got. Well, I've compiled them all into a single huge video so you can watch the entire project start to finish. I thoroughly enjoyed the nostalgia and the look back, and I hope you will too. And now, on to today's build. Man, do we have something special for you guys today. In anticipation of the upcoming Eagle Moss Ecto-1 from Ghostbusters, I've decided to give you guys a little treat by lightailing the Lego Ghostbusters Ecto-1. The first thing we're going to need to do is actually build the model. Okay, now you can see we've got our Ghostbusters Lego Ecto-1 completely built. So we want to put that to the side for a second, and we'll pull out our lightailing kit. Now for this model, the kit comes with this string of LEDs, complete with replica Legos with LEDs inside. First thing you'll want to do is separate these because they're going to come all tangled up. Alright, we're going to start with the front panel, and you'll want to pull these off very carefully. And if you wish, you can use the tool Lego gives you specifically for this purpose. Make sure to pop off all of the clear Lego nubs, or studs I believe they call them, here on the front. And we'll pull off the little forward light as well. And we're ready for our first string installation. This is the string you'll want to use, with 4 clears and a blue. The order you put these in makes a huge difference. So you can see the wires are coming in on the inside here. That's the side we're going to want to connect right here, like so. Then you bring this string forward, and you start on the headlights with this one. Be very careful, as these wires are very thin and
And you don't want to cut them on accident or pull them out. And we'll just move on down the row, getting all the headlights in order. Now this cable is going to come through here, with this cable going in and under through the wheel well. Just like so. Now we're ready for reassembly. Notice that I'm putting the cables between the studs to avoid cutting them when I push down, to tighten them. And there you have it. The front set is complete. Now we'll want to organize the cabling on the bottom. And to do so, we'll bring it right through here. I'm going to go right down the middle of two of these studs. And we'll do it again right here for the back side. And we allow the cabling to go out through the back. Okay, for this next section, we're going to be taking apart the roof. I'm going to start by taking this entire assembly out, just like so. And then we're going to pop off all of these blue pieces. On both sides. The good news is this actually has to come off as well. So we'll just pull these pieces off like so. And we're going to pull off this red one and the double clears here at the top. This will also come off, and these two will come off as well. Working on the other side, we want to get all of these blues gone as well. Alright, now that we have prepared the roof, it's time to begin assembly. We're going to be using this string of lights that begins with one clear and moves on to some blues. You can take one of the clear ones that you've taken off before, place it on top, And that will go in right here where it was before. The string will come around underneath. Be very careful with this, and you can use some handy tweezers if you're having any difficulties. There we go. You can take one of your blue triangles and place it in to keep it nice and tight. All right, and we can continue with the other 4 little blue triangles for this side. And we take one of these, pull off the grating, and place that right there. We can take this snap it tight, bring the wires up and through, and we can replace the grating. Sometimes it's helpful just to use the tweezers to hold it in place with one hand while you use the other to place the brick. And we're ready to snap this one into place. Next up, we come right through the center here. We place our red brick right on this bar. It's time to cover up the wiring again. So we'll bring it down and through. Next step is to bring this cabling down through the back here, and we'll hide it with this. On the back side, you repeat what you did on the front by taking this, removing the grate, placing that down, and snapping your lights in place. Now you can be creative in how you want to hide some of your cabling. But always remember to be careful not to snap the wires. All right. Now that we have the rooftop done, it's time to take care of some of the interior lights. So the first thing we're going to do is actually take the whole roof off. Just like so. On the back, we're going to pull this off, just like that. we're going to bring our cabling in underneath. Then we can replace this. Just like so. Now, on the other side, we'll take these off. And we place this just like so. And this will take care of our interior lights. And now, we're almost done. The next stage is removing the rear. Just like so. And we can take the glass here and place it back on the roof to make sure that our cabling comes in underneath. We can replace the roof. And from here, we can pull off the end lights, the tail lights, and replace them with these LED versions. And the last step is simply to make sure your cabling comes down nice and smooth and cover it all back up with the rear. And there you have it. Our Ecto-1 should be ready to go. Let's test it out. Alright, and now for the moment of truth. We just plug this into any USB charger. And look at that. Look at that. The lighting on the inside. Flashing. Headlights, tail lights. We got us a light-tailed Ghostbusters Ecto-1. Let me get the lights off so you can see what it really looks like. Look at that beauty. You can almost light a room with this thing. Certainly wouldn't want to drive in that car, man. All right. And there you have it, everyone. This is absolutely incredible and will hopefully hold me over until the Eaglemoss Ecto-1 finally starts shipping. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and share, subscribe to our channel, and hit that little notification bell so you always know when we release a new video. We'll see you next time.